Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's literally at the core of our well-being, gut health. You've probably heard that a healthy gut is key to a healthy life, affecting everything from our mood to our immune system. But did you know that what you eat is only half the story? The other half is how you combine your foods. It's like having a team of superheroes. They're great on their own, but when they team up, they become an unstoppable force for good. In this video, we're going to uncover 4 surprising food pairings that can supercharge your gut, turning your everyday meals into powerful natural remedies. Forget bland, boring diets. We're talking about delicious, simple combinations that will work wonders for your digestive system. These pairings are not just about taste. They're about creating a synergy that boosts nutrient absorption, fights inflammation, and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. So, if you're ready to transform your healthy diet and discover some amazing immune-boosting foods, stick around. Let's get started on our journey to a happier gut. Our first power couple is one you might not expect: apples and dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. It sounds like a decadent dessert, but it's actually a powerhouse for your gut. Let's break down why this combination is so effective. Apples are packed with pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic. Think of prebiotics as the fertilizer for your gut garden. They feed the beneficial bacteria, helping them thrive. When these good bacteria ferment pectin, they produce butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that is the primary fuel for the cells lining your colon. A healthy colon lining is crucial for preventing a leaky gut and reducing inflammation. Now, let's bring in the dark chocolate. We're talking about high-quality dark chocolate, ideally with 70% cacao or more. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids and polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. Here's where the magic happens. When the good bacteria in your gut get a hold of these compounds, they ferment them into smaller anti-inflammatory molecules that your body can easily absorb. So, when you combine the prebiotic fiber from the apple with the antioxidants from the dark chocolate, you're creating an incredible anti-inflammatory and gut-nourishing team. The apple's fiber helps the beneficial microbes flourish, and those microbes, in turn, help you unlock the full anti-inflammatory potential of the chocolate. A simple snack of apple slices with a few squares of dark chocolate isn't just a treat. It's a strategic move for your long-term gut health. Moving on to our second surprising duo: lentils and tomatoes. This pairing is a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. It's a classic example of how traditional wisdom often aligns perfectly with modern nutritional science. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and, more importantly for our gut, they are loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity and helping to sweep your digestive tract clean. The soluble fiber, much like the pectin in apples, serves as a prebiotic, feeding your friendly gut flora. A healthy, diverse microbiome is a cornerstone of a strong immune system. So, where do tomatoes come in? Tomatoes are rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, and a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. The interesting part is that lentils, like many legumes and grains, contain compounds that can slightly inhibit the absorption of certain minerals like iron. Iron is vital for energy and overall health. Here's the synergistic part: vitamin C, which is abundant in tomatoes, dramatically enhances the absorption of non-heme iron, the type of iron found in plant-based foods like lentils. So when you cook lentils with a tomato-based sauce or add fresh tomatoes to a lentil salad, you're not just adding flavor. ensuring that your body can access and utilize the essential iron from the lentils more effectively. This pairing supports your energy levels and provides a fantastic fiber-rich base for a thriving gut microbiome. It's a perfect example of how a complete and healthy diet is about smart combinations. Our third incredible pairing takes us into the world of fermented foods, kimchi and tofu. This is a match made in gut health heaven. Combining the power of probiotics with high-quality plant-based protein. Let's start with kimchi, the spicy fermented cabbage dish from Korea. Kimchi is a probiotic superstar. It's teeming with live, beneficial bacteria, particularly strains of lactobacillus. These probiotics are like reinforcements for your gut army, helping to balance your microbiome, crowd out harmful bacteria, and support digestion. A gut rich in diverse probiotics is better equipped to fight off pathogens, which directly links to a stronger immune response. Plus, the fermentation process makes the nutrients in the cabbage more bioavailable. Now, let's add tofu to the mix. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a great source of complete protein. But beyond that, soybeans also contain prebiotics, specifically oligosaccharides. These are complex sugars that our bodies can't digest, but our gut bacteria absolutely love them. So when you eat tofu, you're providing the perfect food source for the probiotic bacteria you're introducing with the kimchi. It's a beautiful cycle. The tofu's prebiotics feed the kimchi's probiotics, helping them colonize and thrive in your gut. This synergy enhances the benefits of both foods. The protein in tofu helps keep you full and satisfied, while the kimchi and its prebiotic partner work to build a robust and resilient gut ecosystem. A simple dish like a kimchi tofu scramble or a kimchi stew is an amazing natural remedy for digestive wellness. Finally, our fourth and final powerhouse pairing is turmeric and black pepper. This combination is a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine and has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for inflammation. Turmeric's active compound curcumin is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory agents known to us. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic health issues, including digestive problems like irritable bowel syndrome. By reducing inflammation in the gut lining, curcumin can help soothe digestive distress and support the integrity of the gut barrier. However, there's a catch. On its own, curcumin is not very well absorbed by our bodies. A large portion of it gets metabolized before it can work its magic. This is where black pepper steps in to save the day. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. Piperine has a remarkable ability to enhance the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. It does this by inhibiting certain enzymes in the liver and the intestinal wall that would otherwise break down the curcumin too quickly. So, by simply adding a pinch of black pepper whenever you use turmeric, whether in a curry, a golden milk latte, or even sprinkled on roasted vegetables, you are unlocking the full anti-inflammatory potential of the turmeric. This simple culinary trick transforms turmeric from a simple spice into a powerful, immune-boosting food that can have a profound effect on your gut health and overall well-being. It's a testament to how small changes in our diet can lead to big results. So there you have it for delicious and surprising food pairings that can truly supercharge your gut health. We've seen how apples and dark chocolate create an anti-inflammatory powerhouse, how lentils and tomatoes boost iron absorption while feeding your gut, how kimchi and tofu team up as a probiotic and prebiotic force, and how turmeric and black pepper unlock incredible anti-inflammatory benefits. Incorporating these pairings into your healthy diet is simple and enjoyable. It's not about restriction. It's about making smarter, more synergistic choices. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a vibrant life. influencing your energy, mood, and immune system. By embracing these natural remedies, you're taking a proactive step towards long-term wellness. Start with 1 or 2 of these combinations this week and see how you feel. Your gut will thank you for it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to experiment in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural health and wellness, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these food pairings are you most excited to try? Until next time, eat well and be well. Hello, and welcome back to our channel, your trusted source for all things natural health and wellness. Today, we're diving deep into a breakfast classic that might just be the secret weapon for aging gracefully. We're talking about oatmeal. Specifically, we're going to explore what really happens inside your body when you enjoy a warm bowl of oatmeal, especially as you navigate your 60s and beyond. Stick around because you might be surprised by the powerhouse of benefits packed into this simple grain. So, why the special focus on age 60? Well, this is a time in life when our bodies undergo significant changes. Our metabolism might slow down. Our cardiovascular system needs a bit more love. And maintaining steady energy levels can become a daily challenge. Crafting a healthy diet becomes less of a choice and more of a necessity for vibrant living. And that's where oatmeal shines as a true superstar. Let's start with the heart. As we age, keeping our heart in top shape is priority number 1. Oatmeal is loaded with a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Imagine this beta-glucan as a tiny sponge traveling through your digestive system. As it moves, it soaks up LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and helps escort it out of your body. Studies have shown that regularly consuming beta-glucan can significantly lower LDL cholesterol levels, which in turn reduces your risk of heart disease. It's like having a natural cleanup crew for your arteries, all starting with your breakfast bowl. This simple habit is one of the most effective natural remedies for maintaining a healthy heart. Next up, let's talk about blood sugar. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial, especially as the risk for type 2 diabetes can increase with age. Unlike sugary cereals that cause a quick spike and a subsequent crash, oatmeal provides a slow and steady release of energy. That amazing beta-glucan fiber we just talked about. It also slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This prevents those sharp peaks and valleys in your blood sugar, helping you feel balanced and energized throughout the morning. No more mid-morning slump. By stabilizing your glucose levels, you're not just feeling better day to day. You're actively supporting your body's long-term metabolic health. Now, let's move to your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is the cornerstone of overall wellness, influencing everything from digestion to mood to your immune system. Oatmeal is a fantastic prebiotic. This means it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, helping them thrive. When these good bacteria are well fed, they create a healthier gut environment, which can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and enhance nutrient absorption. A happy gut means a happier, healthier you. Think of it as tending to a garden inside you. Oatmeal provides the perfect fertilizer for the good stuff to grow. Speaking of immunity, as we get older, our immune system can sometimes use a little extra support. Oatmeal is one of those fantastic immune-boosting foods. Not only does a healthy gut contribute to a stronger immune response, but oats are also packed with essential nutrients like zinc, selenium, and iron. Zinc is crucial for the development and function of immune cells, while selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. So, that humble bowl of oats is quietly working to fortify your body's natural defenses, helping you stay resilient. Weight management can also become a greater focus in our 60s. Oatmeal is an incredible ally in this journey. The high fiber and protein content make it incredibly satisfying. When you eat oatmeal for breakfast, you're likely to feel fuller for longer. This sensation of satiety helps curb cravings and prevents you from overeating later in the day. It's a simple, natural strategy to help maintain a healthy weight without feeling deprived. It's a key component of a healthy diet that works with your body, not against it. But the benefits don't stop there. Let's talk about bone health. Oats contain important minerals like manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which play a role in building and maintaining strong bones. While it's not a substitute for calcium and vitamin D, including oatmeal in your diet contributes to the overall mineral intake your bones need to stay dense and resilient, which is particularly important for preventing osteoporosis. And what about your brain? The slow, steady energy released from oatmeal isn't just good for your body. It's great for your brain function too. Your brain relies on a constant supply of glucose to function optimally. By preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes, oatmeal helps maintain mental clarity, focus, and concentration throughout the morning. Plus, oats contain B vitamins, which are essential for brain health and cognitive function. So, how can you make the most of your oatmeal? Opt for steel-cut or rolled oats over the instant flavored packets, which are often loaded with sugar and additives. To boost the benefits even further, consider adding some toppings. A sprinkle of cinnamon can help with blood sugar regulation. A handful of berries adds antioxidants and vitamins. A spoonful of chia or flax seeds provides extra fiber and healthy omega-3 fats. And a few walnuts or almonds will give you an extra boost of protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied even longer. In conclusion, incorporating oatmeal into your daily routine, especially in your 60s and beyond, is one of the kindest things you can do for your body. From protecting your heart and stabilizing blood sugar to boosting your immune system and supporting gut health, this simple grain is a true nutritional powerhouse. It's an easy, affordable, and delicious way to embrace a healthy diet and use food as a natural remedy for a vibrant life. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and do forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content on natural health and wellness. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. How do you like to enjoy your oatmeal? Until next time, stay healthy and be well.